Dear Father, today, as I sit down to express my heartfelt emotions, I find myself at a loss for words to truly convey the depth of admiration and love I have for you. You have been a pillar of strength, a guiding light, and an unwavering support system in my life. It is with utmost gratitude and joy that I send my warmest wishes to you. Throughout my journey, you have been my hero and my role model. Your unwavering dedication, hard work, and selflessness have shaped me into the person I am today. Your sacrifices and tireless efforts have provided me with a life filled with opportunities and endless possibilities. I am forever grateful for the love and care you have showered upon me. Your wisdom and guidance have been invaluable to me. You have always been there to offer advice, lend an ear, and provide guidance whenever I face challenges. Your unwavering belief in my abilities has given me the confidence to overcome obstacles and reach for the stars. Your presence in my life has been a constant reminder of the power of resilience, determination, and perseverance. As a father, you have not only been a provider but also a friend. You have always taken the time to understand my dreams, aspirations, and fears. Your unconditional love and support have given me the strength to dream big and chase after my goals. Your belief in me has been a source of motivation and encouragement, propelling me forward even in the face of adversity. Beyond being an exceptional father, you have been a role model of integrity, compassion, and kindness. Your actions have taught me the importance of treating others with respect and empathy. Your generosity and willingness to help those in need have inspired me to make a positive difference in the world. On this special day, I wish you all the happiness, health, and fulfillment that life has to offer. May your days be filled with laughter, joy, and the company of loved ones. May you find contentment in the simple pleasures and continue to live a life of purpose and passion. You deserve all the love and blessings in the world. Please know that your love and presence in my life mean the world to me. You have been my rock, my guiding star, and my biggest cheerleader. Your love has been a constant source of strength, and I am truly blessed to have you as my father. On this day, I want to reaffirm my love, respect, and gratitude for you. Your unwavering support and unconditional love have shaped me into the person I am today. I am proud to be your child and forever grateful for the impact you have made on my life. Thank you, Dad, for everything you do. I am forever grateful for your love, guidance, and unwavering support. Today and always, I send my warmest wishes and all my love to you. With heartfelt affection. Your son,